ME 8793 Process Planning and Cost Estimation. Unit 3 Introduction to Cost Estimation. In this video, we are going to see Introduction to Cost Estimation. First of all, what is cost estimation? Cost estimation is the process of determining the probable cost of the product before the start of its manufacture. Generally, estimation is necessary in any type of manufacturing industry. Although estimation may be used for different purpose under different conditions of productions. In this jobbing company, where products are made in small quantities, accurate estimates are great importance as a basics of delivery promise, pricing and tooling requirement. In batch or mass production industries, estimating is largely used to find whether a product can be sold at a given price and yield a responsible profit. A cost estimate is an attempt to forecast the expenses that must be incurred to manufacturing a product. In simple terms, the cost estimating is a process of determining the probable cost of the product before the start of its manufacture. The factors to be considered for cost estimation may differ from one product to another, from one industry to another, and according to different manufacturing process. But in principle, all cost estimation following the same general guidelines, whether applied to automobile, machine, tools, buildings, or anything else manufactured or fabricated. Thus, it should be kept in mind that estimating is carried out before the actual production of the product. This unit reviews the fundamental concept of cost estimation and cost accounting. The estimate the cost and the estimation of material, labor and overhead cost will be presented in the following sections. First of all, what is cost estimation? Cost estimation is the process of determining the probable cost of the product before the start of its manufacture. Cost estimation takes into consideration all expenditure involved in design and manufacturing with all related service facilities such as pattern making, tool making, as well as portion of the general administrative and selling expenses. Cost estimating under normal, normal manufacturing organizations is performed by an experienced person called various title include estimator, cost engineer, product cost estimator, purchase cost analyst and manufacturing cost analyst. Cost estimating requires high technical knowledge about manufacturing methods, operation times, etc. Cost estimation requires the knowledge of following factors. First one is design time. How much time taken for the design that particular product according to the customer requirement. And second one is amount of cost of the material required. So for particular product in customer requirement, what are the materials required for making that product? Either that materials already we have in store or newly purchased from outside, that material cost, etc. And third one is production time required. Production time required means how many times to take that product manufacturing time. And fourth one is labor charge. Labor charge means what kind of labors we have to use for that product, for skilled or non-skilled, technical, like that. Depending upon the labors, that charges will be vary. That should be, we need to make the cost estimation. And fifth one is cost of machineries, overhead, and other expenses. Cost of the machineries, suppose we use the manual or semi-automated or automated machines. Depending on that, we will cost of the machineries will be vary. This data also we need. The next one is use of previous estimates of similar parts. Suppose we making the one new product. In the new product, for all the parts not be new. Some of the parts will be the new. Some of the parts similar to the previous product or previous model of the object. In that, we taken into the account of similar parts estimated from the existing model. And seventh one is effect of volume of production on costing rate. The volume of the production will high, that means number of uh, parts will be high, that costing rate will be reduced. Number of output product rate will reduce, the cost of the product will high. Depending on in mass production, the cost of the production product rate is will less, and job production the cost of the product will too high. This data also we need to make the cost estimation. And eighth one is effect of changes in facilities on costing rate. We need to change some changes in our manufacturing industry. For example, we make the manual to automated machines. In that, for, for making the manual machines, the time consumption is more. In automated machine, the production rate will be high. Depending on that, depending on that smaller changes, they considering the costing rate. And ninth one is probable futures changes in unit price for material, labor, and expenses when the proposed product is manufactured at the future date. This means we plan to make the particular product within 1 year. In within 1 year, we have to consider material price, labor price, and expenses of other other expenses. If up to 6 months, the cost of the material and labor and expenses are will be same. After the 6 months, it will be taken into high, high or less. Depending on that, we will plan the cost estimation. Importance of cost estimation. Cost estimating is very important for all organizations before starting actual production or filling up the tenders, because only accurate estimating can enable the factory owner to make vital decisions such as manufacturing and selling policies. Both overestimation and underestimation are dangerous for the concern. What is overestimation? Overestimation means the estimated cost is much more than the actual cost of the product. Then the firm will not to be able to compete within competitors who estimated the price correctly and lost the order to its competitors. On the If the job is underestimated, the estimated cost is below the actual cost of the product, then the firm will face huge financial losses which may cause under the failure of closure of the firm. Therefore, realistic and accurate estimation should be done. Hence, the staff preparing estimation should be highly qualified and experienced. For example, suppose you have to make one product. The market price of that product is 10,000. Okay, but for your current design, let's say the estimated price is 12,000. So if you will face the great losses, about 2,000 loss different in current price and your designed price. So now we can try to work out on alternate design so that price can be reduced. Okay, again estimate the price for the new design. If the estimated price is less than the market price, then make it the item. Otherwise, just drop the project. Objectives of cost estimation. The main objectives of cost estimations are to establish the selling price of the product for an quotations or contract so as to ensure reasonable profit of the company. And next one is to verify the quotation submitted by vendors. And third one is to know whether the proposed product can be manufactured and marketed properly. And fourth one is to make or buy decision. It is to determine whether the part or assembly can be manufactured economically in the plant itself or to be purchased from outside. To determine the most economical method, process or material for manufacturing a product. And next one is to establish the standard of performance that may be used to control cost. Prepare the production budget. The next one is to evaluate alternate design of product. And last one is to initiate means of cost reduction in existing production facilities by using new material, new methods of tooling and processing. Next one is functions of cost estimation. The main functions of cost estimating are given below. The cost estimations are required to submit accurate tenders for getting the contract. Cost estimates are required to manufacture the choose from various method of production the one which is likely to be mostly economical. Cost estimates are required for fixing the selling price of the product. The cost estimate is gives the details information of all the operations and their cost, thus setting the standard to be achieved in actual practice. The last one is cost estimates enable the management to plan for procurement of raw material, tools, etc. and to arrange the necessary capital as it gives details requirement. Thank you.